Welcome to all. Today we are taking alphabets M and N material which we require for it sheet, pencil, calligraphy pen. So here start with the letter M and N. Although hand lettering is ours, it's also meant to convey a message. Too many embellishment and manipulation of letter shapes can get in the way. So choose a style and arrangement that can be easily read and understood. Margins are an important element of design and it's important to factor them into your layout. Arrange your text so that words are not crowded against margin or lost in the middle of the page. Illustration can add to the impact of the hand lettered piece. Place lettering inside or around images to enhance the impact of your design. Lettering design are two-dimensional, and that means they can look flat. Add some depth with a bit of shading or subtle drop shadow where elements overlap for added interest and impact. Adding texture to the word and individual letter form create a sense of depth and helps to unify the design, especially if illustration are used. Choose textures that support the emotion in the piece in subtle ways. Try moving your hand quickly for a looser style or working slowly for greater precision. Varying the speed of your pen can help you create different looks and styles. So, in an easy language, first of all, you try with the pencil and slow down your speed because you have to give the proper formation to your alphabet. You can also color your alphabet. Color makes the design pop and enhances both the message and the emotion behind it. Experiment with different combination of colored pen and paper and try a color palette tool to develop color scheme. So you only not use the pencil when you feel that you have a full hold on writing the letter. You can go for the colors also. Use colors directly with the brush. Whatever lettering style you have chosen for a project or for your other work, use guidelines to ensure that your letter shapes share the same look and slant for good design. Always experiment with different styles and allow time to learn new ones. It's good practice and expand your range of lettering skill. Lettering design include not just the word but also the emotion behind them. Deci- Decide on a lettering style and layout that can express that feeling, whether it's a soft script or blocky attention getting capitals. So, one more thing I want to add here, good letter design depends on the placement of thin and thick strokes. Add thickness on downstroke and lighten up on upstrokes to add balance and fullness to lettered design. So you have to try with the different style of the letters first with the pencil and then go for calligraphy pen or any other tool. You can go for the marker first time or with the sketch pen. After getting hold or master in it, you can use other tools also. So here I have given you so many example of different style of alphabet M and N. M has already completed. Try these alphabets. You will definitely get other style also. So it's about to end now. Try it yourself. N and M. Here are some pictures related to alphabet M. You can decorate it yourself in your own way also. Alphabet M can be written in different styles and design, or you can fill the color in it also. Some more collection of alphabet M in a different styles and moods. Some black and white pictures of alphabet M in a capital letter as well as in small letter. M in a shadow, or we can say block letter of M. M with the decorative background also, or you can give the design in between the alphabet M. M with the double colors and shadow. Some logo which have been started from the alphabet M has been shown here. Some more pictures of alphabet M with a decorative look has been shown here. Now it's the turn of alphabet N with googly eyes. N in decorative form in a different style. Some colorful picture of alphabet N and some internal design of alphabet N. N is in different moods and style in a colorful picture as well as in black and white tone. More black and white pictures of alphabet N have been shown here. N with some internal designs and of course nest start from alphabet N, so N with nest. Colorful N with a colorful design. In the end, again, I will say the same thing. Do practice. You will definitely get success. Thank you.